The stainless steel drop spreader has a flap agitator to improve material flow. The flap is adjusted to contact the auger paddles. This creates a vibration that keeps material loose and moving freely. The flap position can be adjusted for different materials. To adjust the flap agitator, disconnect the spreader harness from the vehicle harness. Rotate the locking pins so the trough can be lowered. This will empty the hopper of whatever material is left inside. Once the lid and top screen are removed, loosen the 3 nuts that hold the flap agitator in place. If you use a variety of material types and make frequent adjustments, the carriage bolts can be reversed and adjustments can be made from the front of the spreader. Adjust the flap agitator by moving it up or down. Moving the flap up will reduce vibration, moving it down will increase vibration and limit flow to the auger. For coarse, dry material, set the flap agitator near the top. For compacting material that requires agitation, set the flap agitator at a middle position. For fine free-flowing materials, set the flap agitator near the bottom. Tighten the fasteners according to the torque chart in the owner's manual when finished. The spread width can also be set up at this time. The spread width can be set to 30 or 36 inches. For 30-inch spread width, the baffles should point upwards. For 36-inch spread width, the baffles should point down. To change the spread width, loosen the fasteners and rotate the baffles to the desired position. Raise the trough and secure it with the locking pins. Then reconnect the harness. This completes the setup of your drop spreader, and you're ready for the next storm.